Hello friends, today we will learn about fractions. What is fractions? Define fractions. All this question answer is here. So the definition of fraction is when one unit whole quantity is divided into equal parts, all those parts are called fractions. So friends, this is our whole quantity and this whole quantity divided into three parts. So our total parts right below the fraction bar, and this is called denominator. Okay friends, and usable parts is 1. So our usable part right above the fraction bar, and this digit is called numerator. Okay friends, this is simple concept. Usable parts is above the fraction bar and total parts below the fraction bar. So below the fraction bar digit called denominator and above the fraction bar digit is called numerator, and this line is called fraction bar. Okay, this is a simple concept of fraction. And how to write fraction? Fraction is equal to numerator divided by denominator. So friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Hello friends, today our topic is types of fractions. So first type of fraction is like fractions. What is like fractions? Definition of like fractions is fractions with the same denominator is called like fractions. For example, 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. So these fractions are called like fractions because the denominator of first fractions is 2 and the second fractions is also 2 when the denominator of the fractions is same. So these fractions are called like fractions. Type 2 is unlike fractions when 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. These fractions are unlike fractions. Why? Because denominator of these fractions are different from each other. So the third one is unit fractions. When the numerator of fraction is 1, then these fractions are called unit fractions. 1 over 3, 1 over 5, 1 over 7. So we will say that these fractions is unit fractions. Why? Because the numerator of these fractions is 1. So also every fraction numerator is 1. Then these fractions are called unit fractions. Fourth types of fractions is proper fractions. When the numerator is smaller than denominator, so these fractions are called proper fractions. 5, 2 over 3, 5 over 7 and 7 over 9. So all those fractions which numerators is smaller than denominators, all fractions are called proper fractions. Improper fractions, when numerators is greater than denominators, so these fractions are called improper fractions. For example, 2 over 3 is proper fractions, but 3 over 2 is improper fractions. 5 over 7 is proper fractions, but 7 over 5 is improper fractions. Why? Because numerators is greater than denominators. When numerator is greater than denominators, so those all fractions are called improper fractions. Mixed fractions, for example 5 whole 2 over 3. So these fractions are called mixed fractions. Whole and 3 over 5. So these all fractions are called mixed fractions. Equivalent fractions, when we multiply same number with numerators and denominators, and these fractions are called equivalent fractions. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 with same number is here 2 over 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So the equivalent fraction of 2 over 3 is 4 over 6. When we multiply same number with numerator and denominator, so the next fractions is called equivalent fractions of the previous fractions. Decimal fractions, those fractions which denominators is 10, 100, 1000 are called decimal fractions. Those fractions which denominators is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, all those fractions are called decimal fractions. So please friends, like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Hello friends, today our topic is how to add like fractions. Like fractions, 1 over 2, 3 over 2. So the denominator of both fractions are same. So these fractions are called like fractions. We have add these fractions 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Friends, addition of like fractions are very simple. Advantage of like fractions is the LCM is given. We have no need to find LCM of like fraction. So the LCM is here 2 and 2, the LCM is taken 2 because denominators of both the fractions are same, and denominator take and one denominator take as a LCM. So the numerator are added with each other. 1 plus 3 is here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2. 2 ones times 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 2. Okay friends, so we have learned today how to add like fractions. When denominator of fractions are same, these fractions are called like fractions. We have added these two fractions 1 over 2 added with 3 over 2. So we have no need to find LCM because denominator of both the fractions are same. So we have take one denominator here and above the numerator are add with each other. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2. And 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 2. Please friends, like my video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Hello friends, today our topic is how to add unlike fractions. This is unlike fractions 4 over 10 and 1 over 3. Friends, we have add these two fractions 4 over 10 plus 1 over 3. First of all, the denominator is different from each other. 4 denominators is 10 and 1 denominator is 3. So first of all, we have find LCM of 10 and 3. So friends, we have used division method to find LCM 10 and 3. 5 times 2 is 10 and 3 is here. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 times 1 is 3. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So the LCM is 30. Friends, we have multiplied these denominators with those numbers which is given answer is 30. So friends, 10 multiplied by 3, 10 multiplied by 3, the answer is 30, which is same as LCM. So we have multiplied this number with denominator and with the numerator. So friends, 3 multiplied by 10, the answer is 30, which is same as LCM. So friends, 10 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Plus 1 multiplied by 10 is 10, and 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So add numerator with each other and write LCM is here, which is 30. So 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 over 30. The answer is 22 over 30. So friends, we have add unlike fraction with this method. First of all, we have find LCM, and when we have find LCM, the first fraction denominator multiply with that number which have given LCM. So the LCM is 30. We have multiplied 10 with 3. Friends, we have add unlike fraction with this method, 4 over 10 plus 1 over 3. First of all, we have find LCM of 10 and 3. We have find the LCM with this division method, and the LCM is 30. The LCM is 30. We have required both the denominator is 30. So we have multiplied 10 with 3, which is required. We have required 30. To 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, and 3 multiplied by 10 is 30, which is required because our LCM is 30. When our LCM is 30, then both the denominator is 30 needed, required. And when we multiply 10 with 3, then these 3 multiply with numerator, and this 10 multiply by with numerator. 4 multiply by 3, the answer is 12. 10 multiply by 3, the answer is 30. Plus 1 multiply by 10 is 10, and 3 multiply by 10 is 30. 12 plus 10 divided by 30, so the given answer is 22 over 30. So friends, we have learned today how to add unlike fraction. Please friends, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and like this video. Hello friends, today our topic is how to subtract like fractions. So we have write like fractions, for example 5 over 3 and 3 over 3. How to subtract these fractions? So like fraction subtraction is very simple process. So we have write again these fractions, 5 over 3. 3 is LCM. So we have take 3 is LCM. Subtract 3 from 5. Subtract 3 from 5. So our answer is subtract 3 from 5 is 2. And denominator is 3. So our answer is very simple, 2 over 3. The next example is here, 192 over 50 and 152 over 50. Subtract 152 over 50 from 192 over 50. So the solution is here, the LCM is 50. So the LCM is 50. We have take LCM is 50. 152 subtract from 192. So our answer is 40 over 50. So our answer is very simple, 40 over 50. The next example of like fraction subtraction is here, 5 whole 3 over 2 and 3 whole 2 over 2. So our subtraction process is here, 2 multiplied by 5, 10 plus 3, 13 over 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 over 2. Our next step is here, 13 over 2 and 8 over 2. The LCM is simple 2 and 13 and 8. 8 subtract from 13 is 5. Our answer is 5 over 2. So friends, we have learned today how to subtract like fractions. So 3 example is here. First is here, second and third. So friends, you have learned today how to subtract like fractions. Friends, like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.